Okay, so class, welcome back. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to interpret the scores that you have just obtained from your client during the MODAPTS 9 and MODAPTS 10 trial. So this calculation on the board is basically just a simple way of you getting this calculation, especially if you need to write it in a medical legal report. So this calculation is from MODAPTS 9. You remember that the norm for MODAPTS 9 is 19 seconds over here. So time 1, let's for example say the client performed the test 30 seconds, time 2 or trial 2, 40 seconds, time 3 or trial 3, 35 seconds. So your calculation for work speed is as follows. So it's 30 plus 40 plus 35 gives you 105. And remember, you want to find an average speed on all 3 trials, right? So it's 105 divided by 3, because it was 3 trials, and it gives you an average of 35. Now what you do next is you take the norm for this particular test, MODAPTS 9. It would be 19 seconds, and you divide it by the client's average score, which is 35 in this case. So you'll get an answer of 0.54. And you want to get this into a percentage. So 0.54 times 100 gives you 54%. Now this means 54% of the norm. Your client is performing at 54% of the norm, which was 19. So in your report, you need to demonstrate to the doctor or the referring agent how much percent slower your client is, right? Or how much percent better than the norm your client is. In this case, your client is slower than the norm. So you will simply say 54% minus 100%, right, gives you 46%. So your client is 46% slower than the norm. And if you should think about this functionally, if your client is 46% slower than the norm for this particular task, it could give you an idea that the client might struggle to do tasks that is manual in origin, or your client will require more rest breaks than normal. Okay, thank you.